Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we are going to be going over some crazy deals and some crazy coupon matchups. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button that's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that the deals are in the details. So if you skip through the video, you're going to be skipping over some deals and you're going to be missing out. So don't do that. Now you can speed up the video or you can slow it down, whichever you prefer, by clicking on the three little dots or the little gear in the top right hand corner of the screen, and then click on playback speed. That can speed it up or slow it down to your liking, and that way you can watch the whole video. And that way, you won't be missing out on any awesome deals. Now, speaking of deals, check this out, guys. I was out of town yesterday. I ran into a Dollar General that I rarely go to. I was checking out the clearance section, and look what I found. The whole bottom shelf was completely full of the Good and Smart juices that pennied on Tuesday. I could not believe that the employees missed these. So, I had to go and grab them all up. I grabbed a buggy, filled the buggy completely full. Now, I asked you guys in the community tab yesterday how many of you thought I picked up, and the answer is 61. 61 bottles total. Now, on Tuesday, I also posted a picture because I went to my local store and I picked up 60 bottles at that first store. So, I have 121 bottles of juice. Now, I have already given a ton away to the DG employees that are amazing to me in my town, and I have also given some to friends and family, and I do plan on donating as well, because I have no idea where in the world would you put 120 glass bottles of juice. So y'all let me know how you did down in the comment section below, because we've had a few really good weeks of penny shopping. All right, now let's go ahead and talk about some crazy deals and coupon matchups. First, I do want to go ahead and let you guys know that I haven't included a bunch of glitches in this video, because I did upload a video last week, the giant glitch list. There's over 50 glitching coupons and items in that video, and it's pretty much the same for this week. Most of those glitches are still a go. Now, I have included two new glitches that we have to add to our glitch list. First up, we did receive a new 75% off one digital coupon for the Lysol wipes. That is glitching and working on the $1 travel size, so that's going to leave you paying 25 cents. And then we also received a new 4 off one digital coupon for the Always Discreet liners. It is working on the 26 count liners, so if you were at an old register store, that's going to make it completely free, plus give you 75 cents in overage. All right, now let's go ahead and take a look at some of these crazy deals and coupon matchups. Now, I do want to point out that I have included coupon matchups as well as the DG cashback deals. So the ones that say final price, that is going to be a cashback deal. Some of these have coupons and cashback deals. So if both of those stack and work together, I've given you the price on those as well. And I have included over 100 deals in this video. So there's a lot to take in. Some of these coupons are from last week, but we do have some really good brand new coupons as well. We have a ton, an absolute ton of amazing deals right now at Dollar General. It's kind of crazy. And in fact, just earlier today, I was thinking to myself, I'm going to have to stop myself when it comes to putting together the 5 off $25 scenarios for this weekend, because we're just going to have so many great deals. I already have so many good ideas that I'm probably going to have to put a limit of like 6 or 7 for the video. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to it, and I hope that you guys are too. Now, I do want to go ahead and give you guys a heads up that I do have a second video that will be posted later on today. I'm thinking around 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It seems like a lot of people like to watch or listen once they get off work. And in that video, I know that there was a lot of confusion last week over the P&G spin deals. What is glitching? What is working? What is not working? So I've put together a video, very straightforward and simple, hopefully very easy to follow, and that video is going to be up this evening. So make sure that y'all come back and check that one out, because I will be including some P&G spin deals in with our 5 off $25 scenarios. So make sure that you guys come back and check that out. I'm going to walk you all through it step by step. Now, normally at this point, I would turn on a little music, but this time around, I'm going to do a quick little story time since we do have 3 or 4 minutes left in this video. And since everybody has been talking about the P&G spin deals for the last week and a half, I was reminded of a time that my mind was literally like, OMG, I cannot believe what I am seeing and how are they getting away with this? So I wanted to share this story with you guys really quick. So back in the day, before we had the digital P&G spin deals where everything was linked and on our accounts and we had to type in our phone number, we had the P&G spin promotion that would be printed in the weekly ad. You would go into the store, spend X amount of money on P&G products, and then you would get a $5 coupon printed on the bottom of your receipt. And you could do that deal all week long. There was no limit as to how many times you could take advantage of that promotion. And yes, we still see that promotion pop up every now and then, but I'm seeing it trend more toward the digital P&G spin deals now. But anyways, that's beside the point. So we had this promotion going on. You could get the $5 coupon back. Somewhere along the line, people figured out that you could reuse that $5 coupon and you could spend it on anything in the store. Well, naturally, most people ran out and did the deal, and they used that $5 coupon multiple times. However, there were a few people who took it to the extreme, and one of those people just happened to be in my town, and I believe I actually took pictures, so if I can dig through my pictures and find them, I will post those on the community tab to show you guys. But basically, I go to check out, and I notice that there is a lady up there with about 4 buggies full of stuff, and she is holding up the self-checkout line. And the more that I watched her, the more that I realized what was going on, and she was up there doing one $5 transaction, scanning that coupon, another $5 transaction, so on and so forth. And she was reusing that $5 coupon over and over and over. 4 buggies, full. So I go on about my business. I'm like, you know what? I'm not here to judge. I'm not the one here to enforce the rules or anything like that. I'm definitely not going to be the couponing police, right? So I get my stuff, I go on home, and I'm sitting there thinking, you know what? I really hope the employees don't get in trouble over this, because if they allow her to stand up there all day long and literally clear every shelf in that store, they might get in trouble. So I finished up what I was doing, and about 2 hours had passed. I run back up to the Dollar General, and I pull one of the employees aside, and she was always super nice to me. So I was like, hey, look, this is what's going on. This is what the deal is, and that is why this lady has been here for at least 3 or 4 hours doing $5 transactions on your self-checkout line. And of course, she was like, oh my gosh, thank you so much. We could not figure out what was going on. We figured there was a glitch in the system, but we couldn't figure it out because she was just literally clearing shelves. I mean, it was just so random. They could not figure it out. And keep in mind that as I walked into the store, I passed by this car, and it literally was full up to the top with yellow DG bags. Front seat and back seat, and I'm sure the trunk was full as well. So the girl had been doing some shopping, okay? And the employee, who was not a manager, she was not assistant manager or key holder or anything like that, she didn't want to be rude or mean to the lady and have to ask her to leave. So we kind of devised a little plan. When she went back and filled up her 4 buggies full of items again, the employee would just casually go over to the self-checkout and put up an out of order sign. So that is how that glitch ended up. And honestly, it makes me wonder how many people out there were doing the exact same thing that the lady was doing at my Dollar General, because, like I said, ever since then, we've pretty much had these digital spin deals that we've had to figure out. So let me know what you guys think about it down in the comment section below. Would you have done something differently? How would you have handled it if you were in my position? Now, of course, don't forget before you go to do all the things, subscribe, hit that thumbs up, leave me a smile down in the comment section below, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed that little story time, and I will see you on the next one.